Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technologue. We all know that printers are an essential part of our lives. Especially if you run a business, then having a good printer is of prime importance. But one question that always comes in when buying a printer is that which one should I go for if I have a small business? Should I go for a laser printer or an ink tank printer? These are very natural questions that should come to your mind, and well, let's try to find an answer to these questions in today's video. Sit back, relax and have fun. One of the most important pieces of equipment for any business is a dependable printer. The printer should be easy to use, functional, cost effective and also compact in size. The compact size is very important, then the printer will easily fit into your office and the employees can work with the printer well. Now there are mostly two kinds of printers, laser printer and ink tank printers. Let's try to understand the difference between both of these kinds. First up is laser printers. Laser printers are the ones which use toner. Toner is basically powdered ink. Now laser printers are ideal for scenarios where there is high volume of printing, and also laser printers are costly upfront. So for places where there is high volume of black and white printing, their laser printers are suitable. On the other hand, we have ink tank printers. Now ink tank printers are the ones which use liquid ink and they are ideal for situations where you require high quality color and black and white prints. Now ink tank printers are actually known for their color prints. They offer very good quality, very high quality color prints, and that is excellent. Now when should you opt for an ink tank printer? First up is for high quality image prints. So as I said, ink tank printers are known for their high quality color image prints, and if you're a photographer out there printing your best shots, or if you want to print marketing collaterals or anything else which requires color graphics printing, then you should opt for an ink tank printer. Ink tank printers offer high quality art prints. Second point is printing on a variety of papers. So if you want to print on a variety of papers, then you should opt for an ink tank printer. On the other hand, laser printers are not that ideal for heat sensitive paper. So basically, if you want to print on a variety of papers, you should go for an ink tank printer. Third is compact size. Ink tank printers are generally compact in size, and that is a very big advantage. They can easily fit in your existing office setup or home office setup, and that is very convenient. Now that we know who and when should buy an ink tank printer, let us have a look at one awesome ink tank printer from HP. This is the HP 316 all-in-one printer, and as the name suggests, it's an all-in-one. You can print, scan and copy all in the same device. Having multiple features is very convenient. Now startups often require a good and dependable printer which is cost effective as well. The HP 316 all-in-one printer is just that. It offers high quality and affordable printing. Now let us talk about some of the key features of the HP 316 all-in-one printer. Easy installation. You can install and set up this printer very easily. Like literally within minutes you can start printing, and that is convenient. You do not require any expert help whatsoever. You can install and set up the printer manually very easily all by yourself. Easy installation is highly appreciated over here. The HP 316 all-in-one printer offers incredible print life. You get a warranty of up to 30,000 pages. That means you can easily print your documents, photos or anything that you want to without being worried about the life of the printer. The 30k pages warranty is excellent. The HP 316 offers very affordable printing. Effectively, you get a cost per page of 10 paise for monochrome prints and 20 paise for color prints. That is very cost efficient. As I said, startups require a printer which is affordable, and HP 316 is just that. Apart from this, you also get individual replaceable print heads. So for some reason, if the print heads stop working or they get damaged, then you can individually replace them. Also, the cost of replacing the print heads is not that much. It's approximately 800 to 900 rupees, which is almost 5 times lower than the other options available in the market. So that is awesome. The HP 316 all-in-one printer offers high quality and high volume printing. You can print up to 8,000 color and 7,500 monochrome prints. That is seriously impressive. You also get borderless printing over here. That means you don't need to worry about borders and edges. That makes it ideal for scenarios where you want to print flyers, brochures, marketing material or anything else which has graphics in them. So borderless printing is highly appreciated over here. This printer is ideal for small businesses and home offices. as this is an all-in-one printer, you can print, scan and copy as well. The scan quality is amazing and you can scan in various formats like JPEG, PDF, PNG, whatever you want. You can scan your documents, photos, signatures, whatever you want to scan, you can easily scan it. Also, if you want to make a copy of something, you can quickly do that. You do get monochrome as well as color copying. The copy and scan are also borderless, so you don't need to worry about borders here as well. This is one of the best things about this printer. HP has very reliable after-sales service for their printers and you get 6 hours call to repair service. So if you face any problem in your printer, then you can just raise a service request and your request will be attended within 6 hours. So basically you get 6 hours call to repair service and that is excellent. After-sales service is very important and you do get a good one over here. All in all, the HP 316 all-in-one ink tank printer is great. It is ideal for small businesses and home offices where you require high quality and cost-effective printing. You also get high quality copy and scan feature, and this printer is an entire package. If you want to buy it, I'll make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that was the HP 316 all-in-one printer. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.